Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of superfoods. These nutrient-dense foods can supercharge your diet and boost your health. Let's count down the top 10 best superfoods for a healthy diet. Stay tuned to learn how to incorporate these power-packed foods into your daily meals. Number 10. Blueberries. These little berries are packed with antioxidants, vitamins C and K, and fiber. They help fight inflammation, may reduce the risk of chronic diseases, and support brain health. Studies suggest that regular consumption of blueberries can improve memory and cognitive function. Blueberries are incredibly versatile. You can add them to your morning cereal, blend them into smoothies, or simply enjoy them as a snack. Number 9. Kale. This leafy green is a powerhouse of vitamins A, C, and K, as well as calcium and iron. It supports bone health, boosts the immune system, and aids in detoxification. Kale is also rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. One of the best ways to enjoy kale is in a salad. Massaging the leaves with a little olive oil and lemon juice helps to soften them and enhance the flavor. Number 8. Quinoa. Known as a complete protein, quinoa contains all 9 essential amino acids. It's also rich in fiber, magnesium, and manganese, making it a great addition to any diet. Quinoa is gluten-free and easy to incorporate into meals. Quinoa can be used as a base for salads, served as a side dish, or even used in breakfast bowls. Number 7. Salmon. This fatty fish is an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are crucial for heart health. It also provides high-quality protein, B vitamins, and selenium. Regular consumption of salmon can reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and decrease the risk of chronic diseases. Grilled, baked, or broiled, salmon is delicious and easy to prepare. Number 6. Chia seeds. Tiny but mighty, chia seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and antioxidants. They help with digestion, support heart health, and can keep you feeling full longer due to their high fiber content. Chia seeds can be added to smoothies, yogurt, or even made into a nutritious chia pudding. Number 5. Avocado. This creamy fruit is loaded with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, potassium, and fiber. It's great for maintaining healthy cholesterol levels and providing a feeling of fullness. Avocados are also rich in vitamins E and C, which are important for skin health. One of the most popular ways to enjoy avocado is on toast. Number 4. Sweet potatoes. These vibrant tubers are a fantastic source of vitamins A and C, manganese, and fiber. Sweet potatoes also have a lower glycemic index compared to regular potatoes, making them a better choice for blood sugar control. Roasted sweet potatoes are a delicious and healthy side dish. Let's prepare some seasoned roasted sweet potatoes that are perfect for any meal. Number 3. Almonds. Packed with healthy fats, protein, magnesium, and vitamin E, almonds are perfect for snacking. They help with weight management, heart health, and skin care. Eating almonds regularly can also improve brain function and reduce hunger. Almonds can be enjoyed on their own, added to salads, or used in baking. Number 2. Spinach. This leafy green is rich in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as iron and calcium. Spinach supports eye health, reduces oxidative stress, and boosts immunity. It's also low in calories, making it a great addition to any meal. Spinach is incredibly versatile and can be used in salads, smoothies, and cooked dishes. And finally, number 1. Greek yogurt. This probiotic-rich food is high in protein, calcium, and B vitamins. It promotes gut health, strengthens bones, and supports muscle recovery. Greek yogurt is also lower in sugar and higher in protein compared to regular yogurt. Greek yogurt can be enjoyed on its own, with fruit, or used in savory dishes like tzatziki sauce. Thank you for watching our countdown of the top 10 best superfoods for a healthy diet. Incorporating these superfoods into your meals can boost your nutrition and overall well-being. Let us know in the comments which superfood is your favorite or if you have any recipes to share. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health and wellness tips.